She finally comes back and nobody knows. Nobody knows about this. She finishes school and she goes on. And then she meets Simp Steve. He's an engineer. He's got a good potential. And okay, looks good. Let's get married. So she marries me. Not really attracted to me because she's had enough bad boys and had her past. But she's not sharing that with me. Never will, because her persona, her mask, is a good Catholic girl. But at home, yeah, she's a lot demanding. She came from a female-led household. Yeah, her mother wore the pants. Okay, so then eventually, it gets too much for her to bear, and she has to accuse me of something in order to justify getting out of the marriage because she still has to be the good Catholic. So she accuses me of nasty stuff, and then the system comes against me